Let's solve some problems now. 1.102. What angle does vector B equals bx by, that is 30 meters, 50 meters, make with the positive x-axis? What angle does it make with the positive y-axis? Okay, so let's draw a coordinate system. So this is my coordinate system. $30, $50, both of them are positive, right? So our vector should be in the first quadrant. So this is my vector, 30, 50. All right. So how do you find this angle? How do you find this angle? That's the direction of the vector, right? Theta equals tan inverse y over x. Theta equals tan inverse y component is 50 over x component is 30. So tan inverse 50 over 30, that is 59 degrees. So this vector is making 59 degrees with the positive x-axis. Right? That's the angle between the vector and the positive x-axis. This is our positive x-axis. The angle between the positive x-axis and the vector is 59 degrees. We have one more question. What angle does it make with the positive y-axis then? Right? So this is my y-axis, right? So we have to find this angle. Let's call it alpha, right? So that's my question. B, how to find alpha? So the total angle is 90 degrees, right? So how do you find alpha? Total angle, which is 90 minus this angle, 59. That is 31 degrees. Another one. What angle does vector A, which is equal to 30 meters minus 50 meters, make with the positive x-axis? What angle does it make with the negative y-axis? Okay. So again, we have two questions, and I'm going to draw a coordinate system. Yeah, this is my coordinate system. Okay, so in our question, x component is positive and y component is negative, right? So that means our vector is in the fourth quadrant, right? Should be here. Okay. Yeah. So if you draw the components of this vector, this is the x component, ax. This is vector A. This is x component, and this is y component, ay, right? Ay is negative and ax is positive. What do we need to find here? The first question is, what angle does vector A make with the positive x-axis? Right, so we need to find this angle, theta, right? And the second question is, what angle does it make with the negative y-axis? So this angle, alpha. All right. So let's find theta, right? Theta. To find theta, we can use tan inverse y over x, right? Yeah. So tan inverse y component is minus 50 over x component is 30. Tan inverse minus 50 over 30 is minus 59 degrees. The negative sign here means we have to measure the angle in the clockwise direction, or 59 degrees below the positive x-axis. Yeah, that's the meaning of that negative sign. How do you find alpha then? It's very simple. Okay, let's ignore the negative sign. This is 59 degrees, right? this angle 59 degrees, theta equals 59 degrees. Yeah, now how do you find this angle here, this angle? Total is 90 degrees again, right? So to find alpha, 90 minus 59, that is 31 degrees. Right. So this angle is 31 degrees. 1.104, find the magnitude and direction of minus a plus b, where a equals 23, 59 and b equals 90 minus 150. So I have two vectors here. Vector a equals 23x cap plus 59y cap, and vector b equals 90x cap minus 150y cap. And we need to find the magnitude and direction of vector minus a plus b. Right. Okay, this is a, so what will be minus a then? Multiply with the negative 1. Multiply with negative 1, that will be minus 23x cap minus 59y cap. So minus a is minus 23x cap minus 59y cap plus vector b is 90x cap minus 150y cap. Right, minus 23 plus 90, that is 67x cap, minus 59 minus 150, that is minus 209y cap. That's my new vector, minus a plus b. We need to find the magnitude and direction of this vector. How do you find the magnitude? So sorry, this is the vector. It's the vector itself. How do you find the magnitude? Yeah, minus a plus b, length of a plus minus a plus b equals square root of 67 square plus minus 209 square. That will be 219.5. Yeah. Now how do you find the angle theta? Okay, let's draw this vector. So we have 67 minus 209. That means our vector is in the third quadrant, right? This is my vector. How do you draw the components? This is the x component of this vector, and this is the y component of this vector. X component is 67 and y component is minus 209. Now how do you find this angle theta? Theta equals tan inverse y over x. That is tan inverse y is minus 209 over 67. So minus 72 degrees. Again, the negative sign indicates that the angle is below the positive x-axis. We are measuring in the clockwise direction. That's why we have a negative sign here. 72 degrees. Angle is actually 72 degrees below the positive x-axis.